Hi, today I will show you the entrance door installation. Main thing is this frame, circle it in the corner, either the big square and label, and the door X should be connected with the main door first. So after you connect it, and this gap should be similar, okay? Then another side, this side, this piece on the door hinge, this side, this piece for the framing, the entrance door framing should be do later, because we can adjust this framing. The gap here is easy to close, so after the close, then can see in this weather strip. So I just leave this one unscrewed. Okay, yeah. Then after you install, then here you need to drill the three hole. Look for your menu. They always have a three hole. They the same size, so you can just stick like this stick on the where you want to put the door, the height. Okay, so you drill the three hole, and after that you can install the lock, and follow direction. And this push in is a make this one turn. So there's a pin go inside. So you push, you twist. So easy, very easy. Yeah. Okay. So after this, they have at the bottom have a strip. This strip adjust the height, so you can close all the way, and don't let the mouse come in or the water come in. And at the end, this the automatic pour in. Okay, this edge should be face the door. Okay, so we are doing right now. And close here through the hole to have a bar. The bar is as this. Okay, one side have bar, and this have air, like a pour the air, big tight, so they can pour back. Use the air pressure to push it back to the door. Okay, we are to install right now. This screw is not easy because it's very long, maybe 1.5 inch long. So you need to pre-drill the hole. The smaller size, little bit smaller than this diameter size. Pre-drill hole and the tie in. Okay, if you don't do that, then the more tight. Even I pre-drill the hole, still have difficult. Also think about if the screw too long, they hit the concrete, so they will not good. Okay, thank you. This the screw I try to take out and change the smaller one, but when you do it too tight, even take out it's difficult. So you need to have a longer arm, but it's easier. Also, when you twist, you press down, press in, and twist about 1/6 round at a time. So little bit, press down and twist anti-clockwise, and to take out little by little to progress. And also this on top framing also leave leave the screw a little bit loose. Now in tie until the end, you tie it. And main thing is your door edge should be closed, should be covered here. So label and the label and plumb means the straight 90 degrees straight to ground, and the label 180 degree, okay, all around, okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay, also this I changed the small screw, so go in easier. And this install is like this, and this can stop. I'll show you. It close and stop where you are. Stop here, and you can close the door, and then open the door like this. Okay, so open out and release back, so you can full close. Yeah, and you also need to check the air, the seal. You know, like I said, this side need to be in the little weather sealer, like this weather sealer. Yeah, so right now it's okay. And check. Seems not tight enough. There's still air, but it's okay. If you close here, it should be okay. Yeah, and open. You can adjust here too. Let me do later. Okay. So last step to see the gap is even. The even is about the label. Okay, horizontal label, and here can be closed. We can adjust this the framing, because this door, entrance door, don't have a weight on it, so a little bit not label will be okay. The label means the weight don't go to the one side, so it's not good. In the even, okay. So every door, main door on the top have a head wood. It's a cross there, so they can hold the whole building. Don't let it weigh on the door, okay. And right now, okay, so that's it, okay. Thank you everyone. So this is the perfect entrance door change, okay. Thank you. Please subscribe and share with others, okay. Follow me, follow your heart. Bye.